Welcome to the complimentary RV Complete VIP suite of products available exclusively at Blue Compass RV locations across America, offering you not only an unprecedented value, but over 100 locations nationwide to provide you incomparable serviceability wherever your travels may take you. Travel safe, knowing you have access to 24-hour-a-day emergency roadside assistance, certified technician hotlines, tire assistance, battery boosts, fuel and emergency fluid delivery, unlimited towing, and a 24/7 worldwide medical service hotline at the tip of your fingers. Travel smart, with access to RV Complete's superior trip planning technology, emergency trip interruption, lockout protection, paintless dent repair, windshield repair, and truly elevate your travel experience with our VIP concierge services that can assist you with reservations, coordinate your travel arrangements, and much, much more. Lastly, travel well by keeping more of your hard-earned dollars in your pocket. Enjoy membership discounts on camping, vehicle rental, travel and entertainment, RV products and accessories, to mention just a few of the available benefits you'll enjoy at no additional charge for 1 year. For complete details on the RV Complete VIP suite of services and how to extend those services, contact a Blue Compass RV store today.